I'll get a dog, Dad. You want one?
No. Maddie, Maddie, Maddie. Maddie, Maddie.
Oh, yeah.
She's just so cute. I love her.
She's
My baby.
She's a cute girl. Hey, Dad. Happy birthday.
I want another fucking dog. I'm not taking it. I've got another useless bastard over there I'm gonna shoot.
See? The people who say no to puppies are usually the easiest to win over.
I think I was fun to be around. I was really just song and dance. It became like this thing in college where people wanted me to dance at their weddings. I think I just am like a hype man.
Winnie! Winnie! Winnie!
You're so sweet. You don't do that with me.
You got all upset with me and said it wasn't comfortable.
I'm talking about the dog doesn't
Oh.
do that with me.
I'm playing with his titties too.
For what? He's not coming here.
We can take him everywhere.
I don't want to take him everywhere or anywhere. I'm not lonely at all.
Be your best friend while you're retired.
I don't need a best friend.
In the end, that solid wall completely crumbled. All thanks to this fluffy little friend.
You ready? There you go.
There he is. There he is. There he is. See? Oh my God, we can't fit both of us. Okay, come on.
What do we got here?
This Chihuahua didn't just win Dad's heart, it also won his wallet.
Put the critter chromer on. Come on. So you can match your puppy.
That's not a chromer.
I know, but it's close.
I'm kind of
That's my boy. That's Big Ben. Hey, you want to see Betty to see what it looks like? Betty! Betty, you like Daddy's tattoo?
I'm not.
Well, well, a little prince obviously deserves to be cared for on the throne Dad built for him.
Agadicoco, vem cá, de pai agadico. Ai, Davi, meu Deus, ele quer água de coco. Coco de papai.
What are you doing, Dad?
I'm serving up scrambled eggs for Beatrice. Beatrice's 1 year anniversary. Beatrice! Beware.
What is that?
He's my new puppy.
What do you mean, your new puppy? You didn't buy him, did you?
I did.
Why?
Because we
I don't want an animal. You ever think about asking me? 3 years. Come on, man. I don't want an animal.
A battle between logic and heart, and the heart is clearly winning.
Hi. This is a bulldog, right? Is he gonna go around?
Ahora sí, me su hijo.
Want 2 pieces?
No, but who's that for?
Choco.
It looks like everything in the family has changed priorities, and you're no longer at the top of the list.
Marissa, I swear to God. What is wrong with you? That it better not be for here.
Yeah. I was weak.
Yeah, look at you.
Of course, the most spoiled little one gets the nicest outfits.
Fancy now. You look like the Kardashian couple.
That feels good. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels good. That tummy rub. Just turn that shit off.
No, don't do that. Don't embarrass him.
When the dog starts getting scared during the harsh weather, that's when all of Dad's rules temporarily disappear.
Don't embarrass him.
Daisy May! Boy, I'm gonna get you. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Huh? Did you miss me? Did you miss me?
If there's anyone who once said they didn't want a dog but ends up playing with it the most, it's him.
I missed you so much. You've been sleeping all night, and then I left before you woke up. I hadn't seen you in like 12 hours. 12 hours. I got to have my Daisy.
Happy birthday to you, dear buddy.
He is not interested.
Birthday to you. You're giving the bumps. Buddy, look. You got a ham cake. Where's the ham cake?
So do you love him?
No.
Why are you lying?
What is that?
Let me show you why saying no to a dog is impossible, even for the strictest dad.
Hey, it's a private joke. You gotta pay.
I know. What they do? Tell me. Oh my goodness. I love him, my baby, don't I? I know. I know. It's okay.
Mais uma da série. Não quero cachorro em casa. Isso aqui, gente, é a cabeça dele.
Yeah, I know. You better get rid of the dog. That ain't my dog.
It's not.
Our dog.
It's better than.
It's Lauren's.
So how do you like the barn?
He was the one who said no to getting a dog, and now look at him.
किन्ने प्यार नाल तैनूं मना कीता तैनूं समझ नहीं आंदी हैं
Have you ever seen how fast a man can change the moment he meets a puppy?
Alright, what did you make for the dog?
When you're the favorite, every meal turns into a fine dining experience.
She literally stops at the same time. Oh.
She doesn't like being held. Her little feet. Look at these feet.
I don't care because Daddy was holding me.
Gravy, was that your daddy holding you?
Dad may not be the easiest person to convince when it comes to adopting pets, but he's definitely the gentlest when it comes to caring for them.
Lolita, Lolita, Chickaboo, Chickaboo, Chickaboo. Wir machen einen Vertrag.
Sag es nochmal.
Ich möchte erst einen Vertrag.
Sag es nochmal.
Steht.
It's always funny watching someone say absolutely not right before falling in love.
Watches that dog in the window.
The father who once objected now shares an unbreakable bond with his dog.
You don't tell me how to drive. I'm the driver. No! I'm driving. Tell me. I know where I'm going. I know how to get there. Leave me alone. No. Don't say another word.
The way he feeds the dog says more than all the things he used to say before.
Okay, sunshine. We're gonna read a little book and see if we can get you to go to sleep. Okay, look. One drowsy dragon mumbles, "Don't wake me up." And one weary dragon moans, "Please let me sleep."
She's already asleep.
Are you sleeping, honey?
Turns out rules don't stand a chance against shared snacks and good company.
Bubba, don't you love him?
Nope.
Yancy. تو مگه نگفتی سگ نمیخوای؟
Look, the lady left him.
Look at him.
Straight up left us with the puppies. He is adorable.
Come on, pick him up already.
You stand here, hold this. Hold this. Good girl. Good girl. You happy now?
All right, let's give these two some privacy. I don't want to interrupt their love story.
I'll give you a soft rice.
Por eso yo me quedé contigo. Porque yo te quiero mucho, abuelito me diste mucho y comer. Yo te amo. I love you.
Bye, Bobby.
You find some pizza in there?
Oh my God. Sasha, you happy?
I do have a way, don't I?
Nobody brings out the kid and a father quite like a dog.
Hi. Hiya.
What is it? What is it? No more fucking jokes. It's nice little pink. There's a pot. There's a pot. Ah, two buggers there.
How many is going to eat before you get sick of these?
He doesn't need any more.
Well, well, in just a few more days, she'll be officially crowned the new head of the household by Dad himself.